and welcome to Cal's Coasting. I want to say a huge thank you for whoever clicked on this video and who's going to be taking this journey with me moving forward. I can't wait to show everybody the adventures that I have had, that I'm going to be having, and I'm going to start it off with this past trip in summer that I had just taken with my best friend. We did a bit of soul searching and hiked some really great places in Utah. You're going to see things like Bonneville Salt Flats, Bryce Canyon, Kanawha Falls, and a lot of other things too. I can't wait to show you some things that I've never even done before. I'm not sure if you've done it before either. Either way, it's going to be a great time, and stick around for the ride. Hey guys, it's super bright out here, so I don't even know how I can see me. It's really hot. The temperature is like in the hundreds. I already feel like I'm melting, but just to kind of give you guys an idea, like, check out this view out here. Hopefully you can see that. And I don't want to take my camera out there because I think it's going to get too hot, to be completely honest. But I'm going to grab my GoPro and my drone to get some other footage. But look at that view. It's absolutely gorgeous. Alright guys, let's go ahead and check this out with some fun footage. Good morning, everybody. I am at the Bonneville Salt Flats right now, as you can see behind me. Really cool stuff. I was a little bit nervous because we were kind of taking a look and see if we could drive out on the flats. I know that you're able to. I've seen some people out here, but I've heard some scary stories of people getting stuck on them also. And with what we have planned today, we have really no time to get stuck. But there is my beautiful car on the salt flats. Seriously guys, if you've never been here before or out this way or even live out here and never had the chance to check out these flats, it is absolutely one of a kind. I mean, just look at that view behind me. Weather is surprisingly fair, about 72 degrees. Got some drone footage and everything, which I'll show you guys here shortly too. Just really great stuff. Honestly, I'm really glad that I was able to take this trip just to kind of have a little bit of soul searching and to take you guys along with me on my first real trip like this also. I mean, it doesn't stop here. This is just the beginning.